What's up, YouTube? It's Louis here. Hope you're all well. I'm most definitely not. Still testing positive for COVID, but I feel much better than the first few days. Hopefully soon this will be a thing of the past. But regardless, last time I left you, even before we had any of this dip, guys, if you remember, way up here, I told you all, this is a bit too vertical. We've been going up for 9 days now. For me personally, I told everyone this over here was looking like this. I said, if we're not going higher than this high, which is this, then we're going to do something like this if we lose this low, which was that low. And I told you guys, literally, even before this structure was formed, from here, we need to come back down to this double bottom neckline. We have done that now. You've actually closed exactly on it yesterday with a wick to the top, telling us that this actually could have some bearish continuation. What else have I also warned you guys about? A potential rising wedge. Remember, we are also still in a valid technical target down all the way to here, around 27, 28k. For me, it's 28k. Might be a little bit different for others, just from there to there. You can see from the highest body close back to the purple box. Put it on the breakdown of the purple box, 28k. So back down to these wicks. That'd be beautiful. Maybe it doesn't even reach its target. Maybe just get stopped out here. One key thing to note, of course, if this is a rising wedge and we lose this ascending support, which is in and around 41k. So if we're losing about 41k, I've already told you guys previously, the last few weeks, that it would come down to 35k. That's the valid technical target. So as long as this low is holding, then we should start to head up. But if we put that lower high, then we might put in a lower low, lower than this low. One thing I want to tell you guys is that it's so important. Can you see there's this sort of green box right here? It's so important, which is also the double bottoms neckline. It's so important to stay above this. Right now, you did wick below, you hit the 2 target. So this could actually continue lower. Of course, you can see the ascending support is here. One thing I wanted to tell you guys the other day is that the 1618, once you meet it, you get this relief rally, and we came all the way to the 1.272. As long as that relief rally stays below this yellow line, as long as when we hit the 1618, it comes up and it fails to get above the 1, then we should continue rolling over. So what's happened here is we come up to the 1.272 and we're now continuing to roll over to the 2 target. So it can honestly come down to the, the 2414, 40k, but again, you'd be losing the 41k. Pink line breaking out of the rising wedge tech target, 35k. For me, this yellow area, this golden area over here, 39, 40k basically, is a key area that we don't really want to lose. I think previously, if I measure from here to here, you can see it's the golden pocket, which would actually take us, as long as we're above this, it would take us to 53k. So guys, remember, as long as we're above this golden box, technically we should go to 53k up here, which is where the dead cat bounce scenario can happen, or potentially has already happened, because we have run into the 050 without breaking above it, without closing above it, breaking above the golden pocket, creating the reverse wave. At the moment, all you've done is come down impulsively from 69k, bottomed out 33, 32k, had this crazy impulse from there to 48k, which is the potential dead cat bounce scenario, running into the 050, failing to close above this orange box, basically doing what it should, push, exhaustion, continuation, back down to these targets. Hopefully for us, that doesn't happen. If you're enjoying the video, please like. I'd really appreciate if you could share the video to your friends, comment down below to help the algorithm, of course subscribe, as the algorithm is going to be so trash. You can hear, guys, I'm struggling today, honestly. But weekly time frame doesn't look too different. You've just closed back down on the weekly double bottoms neckline. You are back below the EMAs though, guys, something that we don't really want to see. So we are creating higher lows, so technically okay, but looking at those EMAs, you don't want to be doing that. You don't want to be getting above them, closing back below. What is that a signal of? A fake out. So over here we had a potential fake out, we closed below. It's so important now that this next week here we close back above these EMAs. Hopefully something like this, where we engulf this previous week, setting us up nicely for the next weeks and months ahead for Bitcoin. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. Don't forget, we need to go ahead and break this 48 K high to invalidate this head and shoulders pattern's technical target to 27-28K. Don't forget, if we're falling out below 41K, losing this neckline over here of this double bond, which I called out exactly for you guys. So if you appreciate that, like the video, share it, and let people know what we were saying on this channel before all these big YouTubers. Don't forget, guys, as well, yeah, we know can't lose this because look, it's still 1414. This is what's going to keep us in the target to the 1618, 61K. As long as we're above it, we're going to 61K. As long as we're below this, technically we should go to 32K. This would be in line with our head and shoulders target, as well as our rising wedge target. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I can be back soon with more videos, but at the moment I'm struggling to even just exist. But yeah, thank you guys. Please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
So guys, here are the crypto packages. If you think you have what it takes to stay disciplined and consistent over the next 3 to 6 months, then I'm more than happy to help you 10x your learning curve. So you can already be a complete beginner, or you can be advanced. It doesn't matter. I'm here to turn you into a self-sufficient trader that doesn't need anyone else's guidance by the end of it. I even had to pay over £10,000 to get all this information. That includes scams, scam signals where I lost 3K, scam master account management where I lost 5K, scam pyramid scheme companies for bad courses. Then I found my mentor and I had to pay over $2,000 for just a 2-hour mentorship lesson. What you guys are getting for £650 is access to the chat until the top of the market. So if the top of the market is a year away, do 1 year times 40. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. You also get the course included in the mentorship, and I'll actually not just do a 2-hour lesson with you. I will stay here for a month period to make sure that you become a self-sufficient trader by the end of it. So if you're interested in this, head over to my Twitter, Louis_crypto, to the pinned post and message me there. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.